She didn't expect to see me in this darkness with this face. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I feel like I'm in Goa. Hmm. I'm struggling with this. Finally, we made it a point to leave for the shoot. You see, Ivano as well is over here. Christina is ready. I think in half an hour we left for the shoot in half an hour.
My God, I've been waiting 2 hours.
Yeah, because I was in Hounslow. If you see in my vlog, I was in Hounslow. I was not over here. I was on the high street. This female did not tell me it's a photo shoot. She told me rehearsals.
Yeah. She doesn't listen.
Look at our photographer, how she's sitting down.
We made the best flight ever.
She's mad at me. She's mad at me. Ivano, come here.
Look at this beautiful purple and pinkish.
So, how did you like the shoot, Ivano?
It was nice, actually, really nice.
I've been teaching him how to do this. So, you know, they call it over here. They recognize Indians by how? How do you recognize Indians?
How they speak.
How they recognize? How they recognize Indian?
My muscles are not working. You see? You understand? I can't.
Okay, how do you recognize Indians,
When
Christina?
they speak that, yeah. You know, we
You need to contact her for something with
Yeah.
interesting pictures. She's amazing.
Yeah, I don't
And
make
she's
you wait
strict.
3 hours.
I didn't make you wait 3 hours. I was in Hounslow High Street. I did not know we're having a shoot. I thought we have rehearsals today.
She doesn't listen when you speak to her.
I need to cut this out. So guys, we were at Gunnersbury Park and this is how it looks. It looks amazing. Iano is helping me to cut chicken.
With Ivana?
Ivano, right?
Yeah.
Hiya.
My good boy.
Chef Ivano.
Not really.
He's a chef. He is a chef. You're not a chef?
Yeah, I'm a chef.
There you go. Okay, my knife is not that good.
No. Not really.
But see, it cuts. That's important.
Yeah, he's lovely. At least.
Finally, I sent Ivano to sleep because he was very tired after the shoot. So my rice and chicken curry is ready.
Oh yeah. Very nice. Lovely. Look at this sauce.
Your husband is lucky. Your man, your woman. Oh,
My woman.
My woman. Your woman.
My man.
Your man is a lucky man. Look at that.
Yeah.
Thank you. Both of them, they're not even looking at my face, they're only looking at the food.
I'm sorry, but I tried to catch it.
Do you want
No, it's fine.
you okay with that?
Yeah.
If you were not engaged, I will ask your hand. It doesn't matter if I don't like women, it's fine.
Just because of the food.
Yeah, I'm more than a man. Yeah, give me some food.
Start
and
having
No,
this.
I'm waiting for you guys.
Okay. So finally, it's the end of the day and it's my time to sleep. And look at these two. Look at this one. Look at this one. You're so cute. She's gone to sleep. You're so cute. You look at these eyes. Look at these eyes. You're so cute. You're so cute. This one and this one. This is a nice puppet. It was given to me by my friend and it goes like, hello, hello, wow, you see, it's so cute, he's adorable.